A up, A up, A up. 1920s house today. Built really well, quite interesting. So, I want to go through some basics. So just say, oh, there's a little bee. Let's just say you are a homeowner or a building surveyor and you walk through the gate and you start looking around. And I'm always talk about the cauliflowers. So this has got a physical DPC, it's a bitchy one. It's been pointed over in a few places and you can see, you've got your little cauliflowers here, but you can see how wet it is. See, it's all wet. Right. Look at the drain. Soak away, and basically someone's done a repair here and it's like just absolutely slashing out everywhere. Steps bridging DPC. And look at this. This is going to be part of another video, but have a little nosy at that. And again, we come to the kitchen. It's got a dodgy, there's been a bit of plastic put down roughly around about and there's a dodgy connection there. Now, you can see it's very white beneath there, all the way along there. You typically see this when there's a lot of washing machines, dishwashers and stuff like that. It like lightens it all up compared to over what you can see over there. But again, you know, you can see a sopping wet down beneath there. It's a bit of crap in the cavity, a bit of pointing in a few places needed doing. So that's 1, 2. Coming along here, you can see I've done a few sporadic holes just to check the cavities. Again, they're not that bad actually, to be fair. A few other places, a few issues. But again, you're looking at the back of the house. Man, oh, that's going to that soil vent there. That is a soak away. Look at the path. Crack. It's a dead giveaway. Now, a lot of effervescence there, salting up. Hello, hello, hello. What have we got here? Look at that connection. So if you look on the left-hand side down there, you couldn't make it up. That's a soakaway as well, and it is completely ramo. Completely ramo. There you go. This is pretty basic when you're looking at it. Hello, 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 hello. This is quite wet along here actually as well, and you can also, I've drilled this out, but it looks dry now. But you can see where somebody's had a path or something up higher across there at one point years ago. So yeah, this is like the fundamental basics. So again, we've got a full house. Every drain knackered or problem there. Now, let's have a little looky inside. Have a little looky inside. So sometimes people play it all down and say, you need to do this, you need to do that. And there's basically no other evidence based. You can see a bit of blown plaster in a few places. How clear this is going to be. Actually, I haven't got a light on. That's your lowest mortar bed available. No DPC. DPC's beneath the floor. I can actually see that when I put the camera through from the cavity inspection. Another sample up there, so we're tasting for moisture and salt. And there's a few issues going around. It's mainly on this gable wall, really, to be fair. Most of the problems are because obviously you've got to have a bit of bridging if there's any debris in the cavity, and also depending on how this is done, there's no membrane up against this floor. It's a solid floor. I've pulled it back in a few places and had a quick looky. It's an old concrete floor. I just want to show you this as well, quite an interesting little thing. And there we go, step. So this is cavity going into solid wall. So what's really important about that is, hey, out of the way, doggy, out of the way, doggy. That's Zeus, he's a big old boy. What's really important is, until you understand the construction, you're never going to know how to repair it. Also as well, dare I say, when you know the construction, you're looking for typical defects. So times when you're looking at solid wall and cavity construction, you're looking for different things. So hopefully this is giving you just a basic insight into some damp stuff. Obviously, you know, with these sort of jobs, people recommend all different things about how to repair it. It doesn't matter about repairing it. First of all, it's root cause. Diagnose the root cause of the damp issues, and then you can move forward with repair. But thanks for watching, and we will see you soon on the next one.